welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have the Beautylish Luckybag 2019 for you guys. I have brought it, the $75 one with $150 value. I don't know what's in there. I did actually say last year in 2018 when I got the one because like I got a good box. I was just expecting more because I'd seen so many with like ABH, all of those, like Cover FX, that kind of thing, and I just got, well, I'll link it down below so you can see. It's not a bad haul, but it's just not as good as I was expecting. I think I was expecting a lot more. So this year I went into it, I have an open mind. I don't know what's going to be in here. I'm just expecting $150 worth of product, and we'll see what's inside. So let's open her up and let's have a look. So I'm like, are you going to stay open? Alright, so it looks like this, and it says on the front, Luckybags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers or rikishi on this year's Luckybags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Hashtag Luckybag 2019, hashtag Beautylish. What I like about Beautylish is that you can do Afterpay and it ships internationally. So that's good for me simply because I live in New Zealand. Things are really hard to get sent to you, and Beautylish, you can order pretty much anything what you want, do Afterpay, PayPal, and you've got it. So it's great. So we've got some paper here. Looks like we've got one package of things here, and then is there anything in here? No, that's just a shit ton of paper. Cool. So all the things that I've got are in here. So to be honest, it feels a little small. I'm kind of like, it feels like there's like a palette and a box with maybe something in it, another box, and then maybe some lipsticks or something. So we will see what's in here. So I'm like, you guys are like, hurry up, do it. I'm like, I'll close my eyes. I think it's gonna fall out. Oh my god, this is disastrous. Ta-da! Is it good? Is it good? Okay. Ooh, alright then. I'm like, ooh, what's in here? Okay, so I've got a Wayne Goss brush. Start with the first one. This is number 20, and it looks like it's a really nice kind of crease brush to get like right up in this, like this bit. I'm really excited because last year I actually got, hang on, where is it? Last year I got a Wayne Goss fan brush, and I love it. It's so soft and so beautiful. So now I've got two Wayne Goss brushes, yes. So yeah, I'm actually like stoked about that because I was kind of hoping like, can I get a Wayne Goss brush? Like, I'm ready. Okay, so we've got that, put this on my lap. Then we have, oh, so this is coming soon. So this is not actually released to Beautylish. What is this? Oh, okay, I'm excited about this because I've been looking for like skincare things recently. So this is Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum, formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. Okay, massage a few drops into the skin around your eyes at morning and at night, suitable for daily use. Because my eyes get really sensitive, especially with doing like lots of makeup, like looks and that kind of thing. Yeah, so I'm actually really excited for this. So it doesn't look very thick. I will get it out. So this is what it looks like here in the box. So that's really cool that it's like a new product that's not actually here. And let's open it up and see, give it a, oh, she's thick. Doesn't smell like pumpkins like what I thought it would. It feels like it's thick. That's really weird. Okay. No, actually it's nice and soft. Okay. Ooh, that is hydrating. That is super hydrating. Okay, well so far so good because I'm actually, you know, needing one of those. So I'm like, okay, cool. 75 bucks. Got an eye serum. That's cool. You know, that's actually probably pretty good. Alright. Ooh, okay. So an Hourglass, I know Hourglass is a bougie brand. Hourglass Veil Minimal Primer. So this here. So I wonder what that's like. I will also link, oh goodness, link all of the prices down below as well. So Hourglass Primer. I want to see how much this is and see if it's like any, oh yes. Oh my god, that actually feels so freaking good. I'm so sad I've done my makeup because I'm like, that feels amazing. Oh my god, who wants a review? If you want a review of any of these things, you put them down below, honey. Oh my god, so this primer is $54. That's so crazy. I'm like, it feels amazing though. I cannot wait to use it on my face. I'm ready. Okay, next item, we have the, what is this? Kevin Yukon, the curling mascara. So we've got that there, and I'll list how much it is there. I wonder, I know this is an expensive range because my friend Tanya goes on about like Kevin Yukon or whatever his name is, and she goes on about how like great it is. So I'm actually really excited to see that. It just looks like that there. That is probably expensive. Alrighty, so far we've got mascara, primer, a brush, and an eye serum. I think that's pretty good. Oh, and then what do I have here? I think I actually got this, no, I thought I got this last year. So this is a different shade. So this is the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream, and this is in shade Rose. And let's open her up. Because last year I got the lip topper. So this must be, yeah, an actual lip, like stick cream situation. So this is it here. That's so pretty. I'm like, is it a metallic? Yeah, that's like almost like a topper, but it's like a metallic rose kind of color. That's real pretty. That'd be real nice like in the inner corner as well. Like, so good. Yes. Alrighty. So far that's a pretty good haul. I think we're on the last item now, which is another Viseart palette, guys. Last year, I didn't know that Viseart was so expensive, and I got a palette last year and everyone read me to filth because they were like, oh my god, you're complaining about getting an $80 palette, like rah rah, because I saw it and I was like, this looks like crap, like this looks like shit compared to other palettes that I've got that are way cheaper that actually look better. It just looks so plain, the packaging. So let's see how this year's palette is. So this is the Viseart Golden Hour. So I like that it's different to my other one. It looks really pretty. I actually really like this packaging. It's really gorgeous. Woo-hoo. Alright, let's open. Oh my god, this feels so luxurious. Look at this. Oh my god. It is, I think it's got like a protective film on it. I don't want to pull it off, but I do. I can't pull it off because of my nails. Maybe I'll do a review of it and try and pull it off then. But this is like a gold front of it. This is so luxurious. This feels so nice and soft, this matte back. That's so pretty. Alright, let's open it up. Honey, look at those colors. Oh my god, this is actually a really cute little palette. Kind of reminds me of like the modern renaissance with color story mixed with like subculture or something. I have used my Viseart palette before. Oh, that is a good color. That is a really good color. I have used my Viseart palette before and I actually did like the consistency of the colors. So I'm actually excited for this one. But yeah, it's got very good pigmentation, as you can see, and no doubt this was very expensive as well. So definitely this year for the Luckybag, I think it was worth the money. Just with the definite, hang on, it is not going in. You've got to put this in some kind of way to get that in. But anyway, so this is what I got this year, and compared to last year, I think it's actually a really good haul. Now after being in the makeup business for a little bit more, I kind of know the pricing of everything and that I know expensive brands. So this is definitely expensive brands kind of put together. It's stuff I wouldn't normally buy. I wouldn't be ballsy enough to buy this kind of stuff. So it is good to get you to try different things that you wouldn't normally buy, and then products that you might actually fall in love with. So yeah, I think this year's Luckybag I am happy with. I did get some different stuff. I have seen a few people doing theirs and I haven't seen this haul yet, so I know that they do similar hauls with different people. So yeah, really happy with this stuff, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. Did you guys get any of the Luckybags? If you did, comment them down below what you got and what do you think of my haul, especially compared to last year's. If you guys are still here from last year, what do you think? What's the comparison? I'm like, I think I have the same hairstyle. I don't even know. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!